Hi friends, welcome to Weathercast. This is a quick update um, about the La Nina, and there is some good news in the offing for the southwest monsoon because as of today, a La Nina alert has been given, which is basically it translates into the fact that the likelihood of La Nina developing is very high, around 70%. So this is very good news. If it happens, it's a good news for southwest monsoon because it will get a boost. And even if a weak La Nina forms, that is also good for the southwest monsoon. So what will it do? So La Nina is basically the situation where the central Pacific and eastern Pacific are colder compared to the western Pacific, and thereby the Walker circulation cell, which has an ascending branch near Australia and a descending branch near South America, it strengthens, and thereby the trade winds bring in moisture to Australian subcontinent as well as the Asian subcontinent. So if the weak La Nina develops, then there will be good amount of moisture flux that will come from the Pacific, and storms that are forming in the Pacific may also make way towards Bay of Bengal, thereby activating the monsoon systems in the Indian Ocean region. So that basically will also improve the chances of above normal rainfall for months of September, and even October might see some extended rainfall. So the southwest monsoon may extend a little bit if even a weak La Nina emerges. So that is what is the repercussion of this La Nina alert that has been sounded. And the second thing that may happen is because there will be a surface low pressure here in the atmosphere, so that will also pull the winds uh, towards uh, this region where the low pressure exists. So that will mean that the easterly currents will strengthen. Sorry, westerly currents will strengthen, and that will also push the warmer waters towards Somalia, toward from Somalia towards the Sumatra coast, and thereby Bay of Bengal will see more active systems. So Bay of Bengal is, if the La Nina develops, then during the southwest monsoon season, Bay of Bengal is likely to remain pretty active. So that is also good for monsoon because as we all have seen, Bay of Bengal plays a very vital role in keeping the monsoon systems alive. So, so overall, what I expect if the La Nina will develop, it will develop by end of this month or start of September, and that would mean that September rainfall overall will be normal to above normal, and as we had already predicted, the all India rainfall will be normal or slightly above normal between 100 to 105% of the long period average. So that is a good news because most of the west coast and central India and also east coast of India will benefit if a La Nina develops. So that is again a central India getting a boost is always good for the farming community. All right. Um, yeah. So that is the synopsis. So La Nina development is good for southwest monsoon, and the withdrawal date may also get slightly pushed, which means October will also see some decent rains. Okay, so that is what is the outlook as far as this La Nina is concerned. So let us keep a watch. Last week it was in watch mode, and now it has been in the alert mode. Once it fully develops, then this indicator will move here. Okay, and all the models are in consensus that La Nina will develop by September. So let's keep a watch on that. All right, this was a quick update. So I will be back with more updates on how this thing develops. So please subscribe and share this video, and watch this channel for more updates on Southwest monsoon season. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.